Morning everybody, welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? I want to talk about blue painter's tape. We probably all have some. I had bought some because I was trimming out the windows around my house. If you saw in the previous video where I used that Harbor Freight HVLP, I sprayed my entire house, walls, everything. It worked great. That's really a good tool. That's one of the good ones out there, I think, and you just keep it clean and maintained. But the blue painter's tape, okay, let me show you their advertisement. Okay, for painting, I would tell you don't do it. Don't even buy it. If you're going to use it for small things like around the garage, like let's say you're going to label some jars, or you're going to close up some baggies, or you're going to use it for like a depth gauge on a drill bit, or I don't know, anything like that. I mean, I would tell you that's okay, but I would never use this again for painter's tape. I taped off one window. Luckily, I stopped there. And I went back out when I was taking off the tape because I was only spraying around this one window, but I went out like later that day and I started to take the tape off, and it comes off like in little pieces, and there were areas where it didn't stick at all. And even though I pressed on it real good, it bled through. Not a big deal. I was able to use a razor blade and get it off the window, but the other part, on some areas, it was so thin, I had to get in there with a razor blade and work it out. And then it left like a residue, you know, from the adhesive. So I would tell you right off of the bat, I would never buy it again for sure. But I went ahead and I used it, like I said, around the shop for other things, and you know. So what would I have used? I would have used 3M, which is what I did buy. It ships to me off Amazon. I'll leave you the link below. Let me show you the advertisement. Now there's another one my neighbor used, works really well. It's Green Frog. So let me show you the advertisement on that one. Okay, so anyway, the Harbor Freight tape, really, it's not for painting. $6.49 a roll, you think it's a good deal. It's not. It's going to create you more aggravation and more time spent, you know, trying to clean up what the tape messed up. I thought that the tape itself was way too thin compared to the 3M. The 3M seemed to have much better adhesion for sure, and it seemed to be just a thicker tape, thicker mill kind of a tape. There were areas, like I said, that had too much adhesive. I had to work and scrape off. There were other areas where it didn't stick very well at all and you got bleed through. I just wasn't happy with the product at all. When you use good quality painter's tape, whether it's 3M or another brand, you get that nice, crisp, clean cut when you go to take the tape off, and it saves you so much trouble. That's the other thing that I liked about it, so I'm not concerned over the cost savings when you're talking a few dollars or so on the qualities of tape. So, you know, buy good quality tape. I'm sure there are other brands out there also that you might be aware of. You can leave me a link below. But like I said, I went with what I know is kind of tried and true, and that was a 3M, and it worked perfectly fine for the whole house, the entire project actually. When you go to rip some of this up, like right here, it's not sticky at all right here, barely at all. Okay, so you want better adhesion. Anyway, those are my thoughts. I don't know about anybody else's experience. Maybe some of you have had good experience with their blue painter's tape. All I'm saying is it's not for me. Stick with the name brand. I left you some links below. Buy good quality tape. It's only a few dollars more. And it's, like I said, it'll save you a lot more time. All right, this was just a quick video on this product. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. You know, drop me a comment. I mean, if you like these kind of videos, I'll keep doing them. And I thank you folks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.